Today, we journey into the world of tech giants, Samsung and Apple, as we compare the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These two titans of technology, released in the first half of 2024, have taken the gadget world by storm, each boasting a unique blend of innovation and style. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's flagship offering, is a behemoth in both size and capabilities. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's finest creation yet, exudes class and sophistication. The price tags of these phones reflect their status, with both being at the higher end of the market. Yet, their popularity among users is undeniable, as they offer a wealth of features and capabilities that are hard to resist. In the coming scenes, we will delve into the specifics, comparing their design, display, performance, battery life, and camera features. Brace yourselves as we dive deeper into the features of these two technological marvels. First impressions matter, and in the world of smartphones, that translates to design and display. When it comes to design, both the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max sport their own unique aesthetics. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a futuristic design with its sleek lines and glossy finish. It's a hefty device, but it feels solid and well built in the hand. The range of color options available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra are also quite impressive, giving consumers the freedom to choose a device that fits their style. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max carries forward the iconic Apple design language. It's a tad lighter than the Galaxy, making it easier to carry around. The build quality is top-notch, as expected from Apple, and the color options are subtle yet sophisticated, perfect for those who prefer an understated look. Moving on to display, it's a tough competition between the two. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a large, vibrant display that's perfect for everything from scrolling through social media to watching movies. The screen resolution is incredibly high, resulting in sharp, clear images. Plus, the dynamic AMOLED display ensures rich and accurate colors. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, however, is no slouch either. The device packs a slightly smaller but equally impressive Super Retina XDR display. The screen resolution matches that of the Galaxy, ensuring crisp and detailed visuals. And, thanks to the OLED panel, the colors are vibrant and true to life. So when it comes down to design and display, both devices bring their A-game. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra excels with its futuristic design and vibrant display, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max impresses with its classic design and stunning visuals. It's a close call, and the choice ultimately boils down to personal preference. So, whether you prefer the sleekness of the iPhone or the futuristic vibes of the Samsung Galaxy, the choice is yours. Aesthetics aside, what truly matters is what's under the hood. Let's delve into the performance and battery life of these devices. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2300 series processor, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on Apple's A16 Bionic chip. Both processors are powerful, with the Exynos touting an octa-core CPU and the A16 Bionic featuring a 6-core CPU. These chips are designed to handle everything from daily tasks to heavy gaming with relative ease. As for RAM, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a whopping 16 GB, which is double the 8 GB offered in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you're one to keep multiple apps open simultaneously or indulge in resource-intensive tasks, the S24 Ultra might be your best bet. When it comes to storage, both phones offer a variety of options. The Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at 128 GB and goes all the way up to 1 TB. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at 64 GB, with options going up to 512 GB. The operating systems are, of course, the classic Android versus iOS debate. The S24 Ultra runs on Android 12 with Samsung's One UI 4 overlay, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max operates on iOS 15. Both are smooth, intuitive, and packed with features, but your preference might lean towards what you're more accustomed to. Now let's talk battery life. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a hefty 5,000 mAh battery, promising to last you over a day on a single charge. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, though, has a slightly smaller battery at just over 4,500 mAh. However, Apple's optimization ensures that it also lasts for about a day, Whether you're a power user or someone who values longevity, these phones offer something for everyone. In this age of social media, a good camera is a must-have. But what about those extra features that can make or break a deal? Let's dive into the camera systems of these two tech titans, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both phones boast formidable camera systems. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, you are getting an impressive 108 megapixel main camera and a 40 megapixel front camera, ensuring crystal clear selfies. Not to forget, it also offers an astonishing 10x optical zoom that brings distant objects up close without losing quality. On the other side, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with a triple lens system, all 12 megapixels, but don't let the numbers fool you. This system excels in delivering stunningly vibrant and detailed images. And with the night mode across all lenses, low-light photography is a breeze. Now onto videos. Both phones record in 8K resolution, providing a level of detail and clarity that's hard to match. But a phone is more than its camera. Let's talk about those extra features. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is water and dust resistant, with an IP68 rating. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor, providing that extra layer of security. Also, it features a stylus pen for those who like to doodle or jot down notes on their phone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, has its own unique offerings. It's also water and dust resistant, and it takes security to another level with Face ID. It might lack a stylus, but it makes up for it with the seamless integration of its ecosystem, making it a delight for those already in the Apple universe. In summary, both phones offer stellar camera systems and a host of additional features. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might appeal to those who prefer a higher megapixel count and the convenience of a stylus. The iPhone 15 Pro Max could be the choice for those who value the Apple ecosystem and Face ID security. Both phones pack a punch when it comes to camera and additional features, but your preference might tilt the scale. We've dissected these phones feature by feature, but the ultimate decision lies in your hands. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are two titans in the world of technology, each with their unique strengths. From design to display, performance to battery life, and camera to additional features, they stand tall, offering a plethora of choices to suit your specific needs and preferences. Perhaps you're drawn to the sleek aesthetic and vibrant display of the Galaxy, or maybe the robust performance and stellar camera quality of the iPhone have won you over. Remember, the best phone isn't necessarily the one with the most features, but the one that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and meets your individual needs. Did you find this comparison helpful? Do share your thoughts in the comments section. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our future videos. Until next time, stay tech savvy.